नमस्ते, मैं नीलाक्षी एक बार फिर से आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ अपने नए वीडियो में। आई एम अंडरगोइंग द 500 आवर्स योगा टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग कोर्स अंडर आवर गुरु श्री करण सिंह सर फ्रॉम उताम्बर योगा इंस्टीट्यूट situated at Jodhpur, Rajasthan. So today I'll be talking about one of the Shatkarmas. But before that, let us know a little bit about Shatkarmas. What are Shatkarmas? So Shatkarmas are practices or processes through which we can clean our body and mind. In Hatha Yoga, there are Shatkarmas through which we internally clean our body and mind. Shat means 6 and karma means action. So there are 6 Shatkarmas through which we can clean our body and mind internally and which are really very beneficial for our health. हम बाहर से तो रोज़ नहाते हैं, पर अंदर से क्या हम कभी अपने आप को साफ करते हैं? नहीं, तो ये हम कर सकते हैं ये शतकर्मा के द्वारा. So the 6 Shatkarmas are नेति, धौती, नौली, बस्ती, कपालभाति and trataka. Neti, it is the process of cleansing our nasal passage. So there are 2 kinds of netis, Jal neti and Sutra neti. Comes dhoti. Dhoti is a set of or series of processes which are again categorized into Antardhoti, that is internal cleaning, Shirsha which is cleansing of the head, and Hriddhoti, that is thoracic cleansing. So the processes or practices that come under Dhoti Shatkarma are shankh prakshalana, which is the practice of cleansing our intestines. Again, there are 2 types of shankh prakshalana. One is purna shankh prakshalana and the other is laghu shankh prakshalana. Then comes Agnisar Kriya. It is the process of activating our digestive fire or energy. Then comes Vatsar Kriya. It is the process of cleansing our intestines with air. Then comes the Kunjal Kriya, or which is also known as Vamandhoti. It is the process of cleansing our stomach with water. So these were the types of Dhoti Shatkarma. Then comes the 3rd Shatkarma, which is Noli. Noli, it is the process of massaging and strengthening our internal and abdominal organs. Then comes Basti. Basti, it is the process of cleansing, strengthening and toning our large intestine. After that comes Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is the technique of breathing. It is a breathing technique through which we can clean and purify the frontal region of our brain. And the last one is Trataka. Trataka is the process of intense gazing at one point or an object which increases the power of concentration. So these were the 6 types of Shatkarmas, and now let us discuss a little bit about shankh prakshalana kriya of Dhoti Shatkarma. So as I have already told you that shankh prakshalana is the process of cleansing our intestines. So there are 2 kinds, Purna shankh prakshalana and Laghu shankh prakshalana. The Purna shankh prakshalana, it is the process or practice of cleansing the entire digestive tract. So it has lots of rules and regulations that needs to be followed while practicing this Purna shankh prakshalana. We need to drink certain amount of water, specified amount of water. Then we need to perform certain specific asanas, and then we need to clear our bowel. So it is not that easy, but if you are not comfortable in doing shankh prakshalana at a go or at first, first, then you can try this Laghu Shankha Prakshalana, the another type. It is the short version or the easier version of Purna Shankha Prakshalana. It is the short version of cleansing our intestines. Laghu Shankha Prakshalana, it is the practice of cleansing and washing our intestines, but it is easier as compared to the Purna Shankha Prakshalana. So those people who are not comfortable in doing the Purna Shankha Prakshalana, they can opt for Laghu Shankha Prakshalana. Now let us discuss about the benefits. The benefits of Purna Shankha Prakshalana are: it purifies our blood, it solves any digestive problem if we have, it purifies and cleanses our Nari system, it removes any blockages of our Nari system, it removes the excess mucus from our body, it supports and improves our immune system. Then mentally, it calms down our mind and increases our concentration level, which as a result raises our consciousness. So after doing these practices of Shatkarma, if we do any sadhana or meditation, then the benefits that we get are manifold. It also helps the vital energy, life energy called prana, to flow freely and smoothly throughout our body. These are only few of the benefits that I am talking about, and there are many more of them. So now let's discuss some of the benefits of Laghu Shankha Prakshalana. So the benefits of Laghu Shankha Prakshalana are: it also solves any digestive problem if we have, it helps the intestines to work normally and properly, it clears our bowel movement, and it helps in cleansing and flushing out our kidneys. So again, these are only few, there are many more. So the health benefits that we get from these cleansing processes or practices are really very beneficial to our body. So these are proven practices that we have in our yogic system, and these are purely and totally scientific. And yes, along with the benefits, we must also know about the contradictions. So people with kidney problems and heart problems must not perform these practices. People with high blood pressure also should avoid these practices, and pregnant women should also not do these Shatkarmas. And if you are undergoing any medical treatment, then it is advised to consult your doctor before performing any Shatkarma. And most importantly, these Shatkarmas must be performed under the guidance of an expert trainer only. So keep these things in mind and go for it. These are really beneficial for us. So in future, we will come up with new topics, because there are a lot more to discuss about these. These are really very interesting. As you keep on exploring these things, your interest will keep on increasing. As you learn about these things, you will crave for more. So friends, this was all for today, and I will surely come up with new videos very soon. Thank you.